Alright, quick update on what the little giant is, the incubator, the little giant that we use. Chicks are coming out. So far we got what looks like an Orpington and some Americanas. These chicks just came out today. It's a sight to see. So it's a quick review on what a little giant incubator is capable of output. But yeah, I'll keep you posted. Best is yet to come. Appreciate your likes and subscribes. Check out my other shorts that I've been putting out. These things are working out pretty good. I think a lot of folks are more interested in getting a quick understanding of what the channel is about and the productivity that my journey is bringing about. All right, keep you posted. Appreciate it. Best is yet to come. Shalom.